In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill shape using image in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to make your slides look more polished and creative, filling a shape with an image is a simple technique that can make a big difference. It's especially useful for presentations, photo layouts, title slides, or whenever you want your visuals to feel more custom and professional. To begin, go to the Insert tab in PowerPoint. This is where you'll find the tools for adding visual elements to your slide, including shapes, pictures, icons, and more. Since we want to place an image inside a shape, this is the right place to start. Next, click Shapes. PowerPoint will open a menu showing a wide variety of options, including rectangles, circles, arrows, callouts, and decorative shapes. At this point, choose any shape you want and click on it. The shape you pick will determine the final look of your image, so select one that fits the style of your slide. For example, a circle can give a clean profile picture effect, while a rounded rectangle works well for modern content blocks. Once you've selected your shape, place it on the slide. After the shape is active and selected, click Shape Fill. This option lets you control what appears inside the shape. Normally, you might use a solid color here, but in this case, we're going to use a picture instead. From the Shape Fill menu, click Picture. This tells PowerPoint that instead of a standard fill color, you want the inside of the shape to be filled with an image file. A window will appear so you can browse for the image you want to use. Now choose your image. Pick the file you want to place inside the shape and make sure it's the correct one before continuing. It helps to use an image that is clear and high enough in quality so it looks sharp on your slide. After selecting the image, click OK. PowerPoint will instantly place that picture inside the shape you created. At this point, your shape becomes a visually styled image element rather than just a basic object. If needed, you can always resize the shape afterward to better fit your slide design. Just keep in mind that the shape controls the outline, while the picture becomes the fill inside it. And that's how to fill a shape using an image in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a quick feature, but it can really upgrade the overall appearance of your presentation.